Oppo's Reno12 Pro arrived in June, and so we're almost at the point where its successor will launch. Remember, the Reno series is on a 6-month release schedule. Today, some details about the upcoming Reno13 Pro have surfaced. The phone is said to feature a 6.78-inch quad-micro, curved LTPO OLED screen with 1264 by 2780 resolution, a 50MP 3x periscope telephoto camera, and a 5900 mAh battery. The Reno13 Pro will support 80W wired charging, 50W wireless charging, and will have a high dust and water resistance rating. Magnetic wireless charging might be supported via a dedicated case. The phone will most likely be powered by MediaTek's Dimensity 9300 SoC. As the Reno13 series should become official within the next few weeks, expect to hear much more about the Reno13 and Reno13 Pro in the very near future.